Welcome back. The state government will take a decision on the dates for the panchayat election by next week. State Election Commission and Directorate of Panchayat have proposed 29th April or 6th of May for holding the polls. 185 out of 189 panchayats will go for poll before the end of their term on 19th May.
According to the Directorate of Panchayats, a minimum 22 days is required for the Code of Conduct to be in effect. There will be no increase in the number of wards this time as the data of the population census, which determines the increase in wards, is not released.
The term of the panchayat elections is ending on May 19th. So prior to May 19th, the new body has to be in place. So we are actually already set. So there is a election date proposed by the State Election Commissioner. He has proposed 2 dates earlier, end of April and first week of May. But even then, government can hold it prior to 19th of May. So that file has already been moved to the government. It's for government to decide.
Directorate of Panchayats is finalizing the delimitation of wards. The notification of this delimitation process will be issued next week. It will be followed by the notification of reservation of wards. Taligaon Panchayat and 3 panchayats in Pedne will not go to polls as their term has not ended.
We have to do this delimitation of wards, which is in progress. We have collected the data from the videos and then we are verifying it. So most probably by next week we will be notifying that notification. We had done reservations earlier also. So presently also we will be doing women reservation is there, hunted reservation. Last time we had done reservations for ST community, that was 19.5%, 12%, and 19.5% was for OBC category. So this year also probably we will be doing it. Only thing is that there is an issue about rotation. So that file we have moved to law department.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Farari.
The budget session of new assembly will commence from 19th March. This is the first budget session of the new house. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who is also the finance minister, will present the budget. The house will also elect new speaker and deputy speaker to preside upon the proceedings. State Assembly will start its business from 19th March and will conclude on 21st March. Finance Minister Manohar Parrikar will present his first budget in the incumbent assembly. The session will commence after the oath-taking ceremony of the MLAs. The oath will be administered by the pro tem speaker.
पहिले दिसा ओथ अफर्मेशन आसताले सगळ्या मेंबरांक ओथ दिलेले स्पीकर आनी दुसरे मागीर इलेक्शन ऑफ स्पीकर पयल्या दिसा आनी मागीर नॉमिनेशन ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑन द पॅनल प्रिजायडिंग ऑफिसर्स प्रिजायडिंग मेंबर्स जालें मागीर पयल्या दिसा हें सोंपलो आनी दुसऱ्या दिसा मागीर एड्रेस गव्हर्नराचे आसतले सकाळचे 11:30 स्टार्ट ते सगळे प्रोग्राम असेंब्लीचो 11:30 स्टार्ट सेशन स्टार्ट 11:30 मागीर ऑबिचरी रेफरन्सीस कितें आसा जाल्यार स्पीकर हें करतलो आनी प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांड्स जर आसा जाल्यार ते CM हें करतलो मूव करतलो आनी तिसऱ्या दिसा मागीर इलेक्शन ऑफ डेप्युटी स्पीकर आनी CM बजेट प्रेजेंट करतलो मागीर वोट ऑन अकाउंट आनी बिजनेस ना
3 दिसांनी खबर.
The House will pass a vote on account for first 4 months instead of passing a full budget. Full budget will be passed after a detailed discussion in the Assembly session to be held probably in the month of July. Our reporter in Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari. Press Information Bureau in Panji has organized a 2-day Bharat Nirman Public Information Awareness Campaign in Kankon. The aim is to disseminate information about central government schemes and flagship programs under Bharat Nirman. Officials say the central schemes do not reach the beneficiaries effectively. The public awareness campaign is organized in coordination with Directorate of Field Publicity in Pune. The workshop will be held at Shrishtal in Kankon on 17th March. On 18th March, the campaign program will be held at St. Anne's Church Hall in Agonda, Kankon.
Many times the benefits do not reach because maybe there is lesser dissemination of information or there are hurdles in the implementation process. Through these PICs, the Press Information Bureau seeks to create an interface between the people who are the beneficiaries of these flagship programs and the implementing agencies.
Irminda Dias informed us that a rally will be held by the students, a workshop on media sensitization, and an animation film show for the public at the 2 days workshop.
We also inaugurated a film festival consisting of animation films, short animation films on different themes of these flagship programs. And these films will be used by the Directorate of Film Publicity teams in and around the villages, as well as during this 2-day PIC, to create awareness among these flagship programs.
Our reporter Devidas Kambli with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
A workshop on intellectual property rights was held in Panji on Friday. Director of FDS said that intellectual property rights is an important tool in the face of changing trade environment. It also helps the entrepreneurs in global competition.
The workshop will conclude on Saturday. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, in coordination with Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association, have organized the workshop. This workshop was attended by entrepreneurs across the state.
Of the trade in goods and services, intellectual property had now become more susceptible for infringement, leading to inadequate returns or creation of the knowledge. Developers of such products and technology would like to ensure R&D cost and other costs associated with the introduction of a new product are.
Our reporter in Panji, Devendra Gaonkar.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.